Ready to supercharge your Vapi Ai experience and build AI that truly works for you. First, you'll need to access your Vapi Ai account. Navigate to the main dashboard, where you'll see a menu of options. We're focusing on the Tools section, so go ahead and select that to get started. Now, look for the Create Tool button. It's your gateway to personalization. Clicking that button will begin the tool creation process immediately. This will open up a form where you'll provide the details for your custom tool. Start by giving your tool a clear and descriptive name. Next, add a detailed description to specify your tool's purpose. What does it do? Next, specify your input parameters. These are the pieces of information the tool will need to perform its function. Consider what data drives the tool. For example, this can often include your prompt or other related data depending on the tool you are building. Time to select the AI model that will power your tool. Different models offer different capabilities. Choose the one that best suits your tool's purpose. Think about the model's strengths and how they align with what you are trying to achieve. Once you've set up your parameters and model, it's time to test your tool. Enter some test inputs to ensure it operates as expected and delivers the desired results. Finally, click Save and Deploy. You've successfully created and launched your custom AI tool. Congratulations, your tailored workflow awaits. Use Vapi Ai's custom tools and watch your productivity soar.